Hello, how are you today? Today, I'm going to talk about building the business. Business can be your personal goal or professional goals, whatever your goals are. So we're trying to masterminding the information around the goals. Goals can be any goals. Everybody's goals are different. And we are definitely working on as a purpose goals, not just any goals. Something you want, something makes you happy, something inspires you. So today, I'm going to talk about science of getting rich. Wallace D. Wallace, he talks about the richness. So how richness is not money. If you think money is makes you rich, and if you're not aware of what is a richness, so as you know, I have been talking about the law of abundance. What is abundance, and what is the richness? Richness is maybe most of the time people think is money. Money is just a paper, and money won't make you rich. Money is just a paper. Okay, so we have to understand and what is the real richness is yourself, your mind, and you have to understand who you are. You are not just physical being. You are more than physical being. We are spirit and mind and body, and spirit is everything. Your spirit is like infinite potential. And so this is what I'm talking about, the richness. Yourself is a rich. We are born rich. We are born abundance. So this is what I always talking about, the law of abundance. There's no lack. The richness is yourself. It's not money. It's not uh, you get the money from work. Of course, we all work and then we get the money. But how how the money comes is you have to study yourself, and and are you appreciating yourself and the body you have given, the mind you have given, and are you really appreciating yourself, or just you're complaining about, I haven't got enough money, I'm lack, I am if you are doing that, you're definitely going to be lack because you're still not aware of yourself. You're still not aware of what is the richness. And when we come in this universe world, richness is always comes with us. And because we are not aware of that richness, because we start to think money is a richness, money is just is coming by. It's like when we do something, we get money. But your real richness is yourself, your mind, your spirit, and your thoughts, how you think, and what do you think about yourself. And if you're not even aware of that, who you are, and if you just think you're just physical being, no, you're not physical being. You're more than physical being. You're spirit being. Spirit is everything. And I'm talking about the power. Power is flowing to and through us all the time. If we're not aware of that power and who we are, and of course, we can start to think in lack, we can start to think, I am not rich, and you can start looking others with people getting rich and they have more than me, and you start to compare because you're not aware of yourself, who you are, and comparing. We are not creating, we are comparing each other. So we are not here to compare, we are here to know yourself, who you are. Then we start to create from yourself, because you're only unique being in the universe world, and this universe world is abundance universe world, and and we are a universe world, and there's no separation. So when you start to separate yourself and as yourself, and you start to think in lack, you can start to think in many different kind of form. There's no separation. As a human being, we are part of abundance universe world. Law of abundance is always working in the universe world, and as a human being, there's no separation. And so this is the reason we are feeling separate. This is the reason we're feeling lack, or whatever your lack is for you. A lack for everybody is a lack is their version. Maybe lack of money, maybe lack of time, lack of, maybe you're not creative being, or you haven't got something, or you're trying to build a business and you haven't got this, you haven't got that, or whatever your version is a lack. So let's look at yourself. When we come in this world, we always come with abundance, and we come in abundance universe world. And when we have that awareness, and we're not gonna feel that I haven't got this, I haven't got that, or I'm feeling lack, or so let's start to look at the universe world. Universe world is a abundance universe world. There's no lack in the universe world. And you might be saying, I am lack, I never have enough. And so this what you have to start programming yourself. You have to start thinking through yourself. There is enough. There is always enough in the universe world, and our universe world is abundance universe world. So, and this is what Science of Getting Rich, Wallace D. Wallace talk about. There is a one lesson is about all about gratitude. So are you appreciating yourself? Are you appreciating the universe world? Are you appreciating what you have? So there's a lot of things behind how to become abundance. I mean, if you're just complaining about things, I haven't got this, I haven't got that, and then we are creating the same more, because this is how the law of attraction works. What you give, receive back. The energy we give to, and that's what we receive back. So all I wanted to say today, this universe world is abundance universe world, but you have to open your eyes to look around uh, uh, universe world, of course, and then you have to look at about yourself. You're not lack. There is always enough. There's always enough going by, but you have to start changing your programming. And if you're feeling money makes you rich, no, you have to think about more how you get the money, and it's about yourself. When you do your service, and then you get the money. Money is just only paper. So how to receive more? We have to learn that. We have to start programming to you yourself. How do you receive more? And hopefully this lesson going to help you. So all you have to start thinking, open a little bit your eyes. This universe world is abundance universe world. There's nothing is a lack. Lack is only in our mind. And if you look around, everything is in abundance. And even yourself as a human being, be born abundance being, because power is flowing to and through us all the time. We are power being. Power is never stop flowing, and what we flow through, that's what we become. That's what we be experiencing. That's what um, is abundance is all about. And if we feeling lack, it's just in the mind here. We have to start our programming. We have to start changing our program, and how we program our mind. Just that's how the mind works. So we have to start appreciating more ourselves, and we have to start appreciating the universe world, and is enough for every each human being. And I think that's all I have to say. And the law of abundance is working for every each human being, but all we have to do start programming ourselves as our own mind, and we have to start to see and experience according to yourself and the abundance universe world. And hopefully this lesson going to help you. So for me, I always look at the universe world. There's so much in the universe world. There's we have given, but to receive, we have to open our mind. That's all we have to do, and to receive it. I think I think that's all I wanted to share with you. So love abundance is working for every each human being and power flowing to and through us all the time. So what you're making out of that power, that's what we're experiencing. Your thoughts, your feelings, your emotions, that's what we are attracting. And hopefully you're going to change that. You have to change your thoughts and the feelings. And of course, you have to open more eyes to see the abundance universe world, yourself as a human being, and of course, the abundance universe world around us. Everything is in the is in abundance. So whatever you're trying to build around your business, you have to think that way. You have to start programming that way with the open mind and start to impress your thoughts according to. So definitely things going to start to show and the change. So I think that's all I have to share with you today. Thank you for watching the YouTube. Please leave your comments. Your comments can help others. And I think your homework is today, look the abundance around you. What can you find the abundance as is universe word and yourself? What you can uh, see yourself as abundance. Thank you for watching the YouTube and have a great day. And that's all for today. Thank you. Bye.